Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create greeting messages for new users on your server in Discord. Subscribe to Get Mentory and let's go. So first open any web browser, create a new tab and search for ProBot Discord. Now go to the official website and click on Add to Discord. Now select a server where you wish to add this bot. Click Continue, check the permissions, click Authorize, confirm you're a human. And now you are in ProBot control panel. In this left pane, select your server where you wish to add welcome message. And in this menu, select welcome and goodbye. So what you can do now, you can send a message when a user joins the server, send an image, and send a message when a user leaves the server. So let's send a message first. So you can type in your message text here. You can mention user using these codes in brackets. Hello username, we have member count, users now. Okay, now scroll down and let's say an image together with the text. So here you can edit your image, add user avatar, remove ProBot, and welcome to our server, to the edges. And that's pretty it. Now you need to select where you wish to send your messages. You can send as direct messages or send to a channel. Let's send to welcome channel, let's say, and send image with the text message, for example. So a lot of settings here. Feel free to explore. I'm just saving changes now, and let's go back to our Discord application. Now let's test our welcome message. Now switch to this server and invite people. Let's invite myself. I need to accept the invitation. And now we have new message in the text channel, in the welcome channel. My avatar, hello, my username, we have 5 users now. That's pretty it, guys. I hope that was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.